BMW 330i, beautiful pearl white. What we did on it today was we left the stock catalytic converters on it and the back converters. Then we made a custom Y pipe into a 3-inch tailpipe all the way back into blue flame tips, dual tips. That 3-inch tailpipe gives it a really nice sound. Nice deep sound that you guys will hear in a minute. Again, there's the custom Y pipe. Came out really pretty. There's the 3-inch tailpipe. There's the quad tips off the back. This finishes the look really nicely. Again, it's a 330i. Much better. That 3-inch pipe just gives it a really deep tone. I like that. You see how
This episode is brought to you by GenoPure, suppliers of all natural supplements, vitamins, and pre-workouts. From body pain to sleep to diets, they have it all. Click the link in the description below to check out their website, genopure.com. Optimizing health and vitality, one gene at a time.